Welcome back to the Nero MediaHome Deep Dive. In Part 8, we will have a look on the streaming and burning capabilities of Nero MediaHome. Another way of accessing your files and media library from Nero MediaHome is to use your smartphone, so you can use the free Nero Streaming Player app for iOS and Android, and it will find your Nero MediaHome on the PC. And actually, you have exactly the same categories there, like you have on the PC. My photos, my videos, my slideshows, music, movies, and TV shows. So you can browse it there and play them exactly the same way like you do on your PC. And you can even go from there and stream it to another TV or any other DLNA or UPnP compatible device. Even your slideshows are there. So if you created one in Nero MediaHome, you will see it here and you will be able to play it on your mobile phone or on your iPad, for example. So you have the same experience on your mobile device and on your PC. Nero wouldn't be Nero if there would not be some burning options in Nero MediaHome. For example, I can go here and select my nice slideshow we just created and burn it to a disk. We have the option to burn DVD video, an AVC HD, or a BD. We can also do data discs and even copy discs. Creating audio CD is supported, too, and data disc with some photos and videos on it. And if you have attached a Blu-ray recorder, you can even record Blu-rays. So we go in here, select our nice slideshow, insert an empty disk, and go to burn. That's all we have to do. And Nero MediaHome will burn the slideshow to the disk with a nice default menu, which looks great. This is a very easy and convenient way to create a DVD to give to your grandma for Christmas, for example, or any other use cases. In the next video, we will have a closer look at the backup and restore of the media library. Stay tuned.